What is up, YouTube? This is Tyrone from JDM is Life. I'm right here in my garage working on a WRX. Chris has been working on it for 8 hours now. He got stuck on a stud that he couldn't get off and apparently broke off. He is tired and he's frustrated because he thought it was an easy install, and I wish him luck, but right now he's getting some kind of drill to get that thing off and possibly get it done by tonight because we can't get the car all the way inside the garage.
6.5 hours later. Few moments later.
Yeah, no luck.
"12 seconds later." One eternity later.
Even the stud came off too.
But you got it though, right?
Not yet.
12 o'clock midnight.
So we ended the night without finishing it. It's just that stud is really hard to take it off. We tried cutting it off, drilling it, just hitting the shit out of that thing. It's just impossible. So we just called it a night. All the stuff is right here. The downpipe is still there. Hopefully they can get it done by tomorrow. So I want to know how fast that thing will go. I know it's gonna be some hard pulls on that, but man, I'm excited for him. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Tomorrow for sure.
Day 2 of this WRX project. Still working on that thing to get that, whatever that thing is, off. Man, woo. About to use this. I'm about to really just cut it off. Then F the bracket. We'll be back. Chris went to the hardware store real quick and got him a, he was gonna get a long nose vice grip just to hold the stud while they're cutting it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go to hit the gym, and hopefully when I get back they finally get that thing off and finally get the downpipe started, because it's taking a while. It's not supposed to be this long. I mean, you could install a turbo on how long this thing takes. Go hit the gym with my S2K and I'm gonna time lapse this thing. Let's go. Check out the WRX. Last time I checked, he got the bolt out, so he probably fixed it already. Have to get into my, I think I'm gonna roll top down today. So I just got back from the gym and this is what I got here. That looks nice. All I gotta do is clean up and it's good to go. Nice. Finally. What? This is gonna be loud as hell, man. Hopefully you don't get pulled over again. The launch control. Woo! Shit. Neighbor's gonna hate you. The Cobb access port. I was gonna put away this shit and then do some pulls later. Start up, bruh. Ooh, that sounded loud. Gas it up a little bit. Shit! That is dope, dude. A little backfire over there. Finally, after 10, 24 hours. Holy shit. What's up, guys? So I know that I keep saying in the videos that we're gonna do some pulls or some launch starts later, but he did do it later on the day, but with his dad, and I was busy on some things. But what happened was he launched the car way too hard and he came back, the car was smoking. We were gonna do it again later on the night, but he was a little bit sketchy about doing that again because of the fact that he was smoking, and he's not going to do that anymore, to the fact that just to prevent further damage in the car, and I think that's a wise decision of him. Anyways, the car is amazing. Carpool with him every day, and damn, we would hit 100 miles per hour in like no time, like probably around 6 seconds. I'm probably exaggerating because I'm always tired when he's driving. So I think for me as a JDM fan, WRX is one of the cars that you should get because it's one of those cars that's really reliable and you can tune it whatever you want, however you want. The aftermarket is endless. You can go subby speeds, subby bros, or Amazon. If you want to go the eBay route, that's up to you, but I would suggest not. But WRX can be a little bit more reliable than the STI, can be faster, and it's up there when it comes to performance. It can even beat the Type R. I think it beats a Type R from stock to stock. But the thing about Type R is just Type R has its class on its own because it's front wheel drive, and this thing is rear wheel drive. That's about it for me. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. I just got off of work. So watching this far, and I want you guys to hit that subscribe button. And this is a startup channel for me. It's my first full video. Thank you, and we out.